it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and it's time for the 6 must-do Walgreens deals for next week. So all of these deals are beginner-friendly. They are using either digital coupons or coupons we are going to be getting in this Sunday's inserts, the 223 inserts. So we are going to be getting 3 inserts, 1 Retail Me Not, 1 Smart Source, and 1 P&G. So the March P&G is going to be coming out on Sunday. Where I buy my inserts, a lot of people have been asking me recently. I usually go to either Walgreens, Publix, or CVS. They always sell newspapers. Some of them only get 1, 2, 3 newspapers delivered. It just depends on the store and your region. So I always try to get there at like 8, 9 a.m. so I can grab 1 or 2 inserts or 1 or 2 newspapers. So this week, there's a ton of great coupons, especially with the P&G coming out. So I would definitely recommend buying at least 2 newspapers, or what you guys could do is buy either individual coupons like the Tide coupons, things like that, that may not be in your region's inserts. You can buy those online. So the 2 websites that I personally use are always linked in the description box for you. I am doing a new subscriber giveaway that I did in my Ibotta haul. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you guys check out that video after this one. I will have it linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video. So make sure you check it out so you guys can enter. I will be posting the winner of that giveaway on Monday in my Walgreens haul video. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. If you're not subscribed yet, of course, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. So the first deal is going to be on some laundry detergent. Arm & Hammer is on sale. Buy 1, get 2 free. So at Walgreens, you're not allowed to use a coupon on a free item. So you only be able to use 1 either digital coupon, or if you have the $1 off coupons that were on coupons.com a couple weeks prior, you can use that as well if they haven't expired yet. So my store, every region's different. They are $7.49. So using the $1 off digital coupon, final cost would be $6.49 for 3 of them, or about $2.16 each. So not a bad deal for some laundry detergent. This deal, no coupons are needed whatsoever. The nice storage bags, I personally think they're a really great quality. I use them all the time, the freezer bags, the storage bags, and they don't get freezer burn for the items that I do store in the freezer in these bags, so I do highly recommend them. And there's a ton of different varieties of sizes available. You can do sandwich bags, quarts, gallons, you name it. They are all $2.79. So when you buy 1, you're going to get 2 of them absolutely free. Again, no coupons or anything needed. Final cost would be just 93 cents each. So of course, to take advantage of this deal, you do have to have their rewards membership, and that way you guys can get this price point. The next deal is going to be a great freebie and a moneymaker on some Crest toothpaste. So it's on sale next week, $2.99. And when you buy 3 of them, you're going to get a $4 register reward. So in the March P&G insert, which we are getting on Sunday, we do have $2 off coupons. So what you would do is pick up 3 of the toothpaste that are included, use 2 of the $2 coupons from the March P&G, use a $2 digital coupon. You'll pay just $2.97 out of pocket, but you're going to get back that $4 extra buck. So final cost is free and a $1.03 moneymaker. So there's a little typo right there. But it's always great to get some free oral care. The Oral-B toothbrushes and the 500 milliliter mouthwash is also going to be included. So if you do want to switch up your deal, we'll just have to see what other coupons we have available for those. Here is a great deal on some paper products for you. So Cottonelle 12 equals 24 double rolls. It's going to be on sale for just $5.99. What you can do is go to scottbrand.com, print off a 55-cent coupon. You'll pay $5.44 out of pocket, but on Ibotta, you're going to get back $1. There is a rebate that you guys can activate on your account. Then you're also going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. and you're going to get back 1,250 points. So that is the equivalent of $1.25. So final cost would be just $3.19. If you're not signed up on Fetch Rewards yet, put in this code here for the referral code, J24VT, and when you scan your first receipt, you'll get 2,750 points. So if you're doing this deal with the Cottonelle, you would be getting a total of about 4,000 points. And when you hit 3,000 points, you can cash that out for a digital gift card. So with doing so, they do have CVS gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Publix, Amazon, you name it. The only one they don't have so far is Walgreens, but that would make this absolutely free for you. So make sure you guys don't forget to submit your receipt right when you guys check out so you can get all of your bonus points with that referral code. Another great deal is on the Febreze. So this is going to be on the Febreze Air Effects or Fabric Refreshers or the car vent clips. So we'll have to see, it says select varieties. We'll have to see if the Febreze small spaces are included. I believe they will be, but we'll have to just wait until tomorrow when everything is on the shelves and tagged in the stores. So what you do is pick up any two. You can mix and match. It doesn't matter. They are on sale 2 for $6. You would use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, or we're going to get some in our March P&G insert. So final cost is just $1.49 each. And the great thing about Walgreens is there's no limit to these deals. So at CVS, a lot of the deals are, limit 1 or limit 2. Walgreens doesn't have that. So as long as you have coupons, or if you want to just do this deal at 2 for $6, you're still going to be saving about $1.40 on 2. You can do this deal as many times as you want, within reason, of course. If you're going to be, trying to clear off the entire shelf, I know a lot of managers will prevent that from happening so that other shoppers can go ahead and take advantage of these great deals as well. The last deal I have for you is on Tresemme. So Tresemme will count towards beauty. So this $10 would count towards beauty. If you're new to couponing at Walgreens, every $50 in beauty products you buy will get you 5,000 points back. So there's a couple different items that are included at Walgreens that are not included at CVS. You can get shampoos, conditioners, you can get lotions, makeup, facial care, you can get body wash. There's a ton of different items available. So for this deal, it's buy 2, get 2,000 points back. And they're on sale 2 for $10. So what you would do is pick up any 2 that are marked in this deal. Use a 4 off of 2 coupon. It says online or in most Sunday papers. So there will be a digital version becoming available on Sunday. So make sure you clip that and send it to your card if that is the way you're going to be doing this deal. You'll pay $6 out of pocket, get back the 2,000 points. Final cost is just $2 each. So not a bad deal for some Tresemme, some hair care. They do have a really great deal going on at CVS. Tresemme, the 28-ounce bottles are cheaper. They are, I believe, 2 for $8. Or you can get the Tresemme, the premium, and those are on sale 2 for $10. So if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. If you haven't seen my Ibotta haul, click this video here in the top left to make sure you check it out and enter to win over $30 in beauty products for my second subscriber appreciation giveaway. I also have some other videos for you guys here. The 5 must-do deals for CVS also included. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. But what I'm assuming is it's going to be the final cost out of pocket, 20% back. So in this case, we're paying $12.48 out of pocket. So half of that would be for the Scott toilet paper, which would be $6.24. 20% of that is $1.25. So when I buy these items on Sunday, of course, I will go through my receipt like usual and let you know exactly how it pans out with Fetch Rewards. So check your accounts. Every account is different, of course. If you are not signed up for Fetch Rewards, you can enter in this code right here, J24VT. You'll get an additional 2,750 points back. Once you hit 3,000 points, that is the equivalent of $3. And that is what I use to pay $0 out of pocket at CVS, because you can cash out those points for digital gift cards, and CVS is one of the stores. So I cash out my points for CVS gift cards every week, and then I don't have to pay anything out of pocket ever at CVS, which is absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend the app. I use it constantly, and I have not had many issues. So with that, final cost on this is going to be $4.73 for two, or just $2.36 each, which I still think is an amazing price point. Tresemme, there's two different deals you can do on Tresemme. One is for the large bottles of the Tresemme, the 28 ounce. The other one is on the Tresemme Professionals. So this is the better deal because they're on sale 2 for $8, and buy 2 get a $2 extra back. So what you would do is pick up 2 of them. Use a 4 off 2 Tresemme coupon we have coming in the 223 Retail Me Not. Pay $4, get back a $2 extra back, so final cost would be just $1 each. And the $8 is going to track towards CVS Beauty. Now, if you have a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme hair care CRT, definitely pair that with this deal. You'll pay just $1.50 out of pocket, but get back that $2 extra back. So final cost would be free and a 50-cent moneymaker. Some more Ibotta rebates for you. This Nivea Men's Shave, Beard, or Skincare is on sale. Spend $12, get a $4 extra back. So what I planned out is you're going to get 2 of the Nivea Shave Balms. They are $7.99 each. That'll bring you over the $12 threshold. You're going to use 2 $2 coupons from the Too Smart Source. If you have a 3 off 12 Shave CRT, I believe it will attach because it says any shave, razors, gels, etc. So I'm assuming it will attach. Again, I will let you guys know on Sunday if everything works out perfectly. You'll pay $8.98 out of pocket, get back that $4 extra buck. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. Every account is different. My rebates are $1.70 back. Your rebates may be even more than that. It is a limit of, I believe, 3. So we're going to submit for $1.70 back with a quantity of 2, because we're going to buy 2 of those. So we're going to get back $3.40 from Ibotta. So final cost is going to be just 79 cents each, which is so amazing, especially when they start at $7.99. Another lotion deal for you guys. We've been stocking up on a ton of Eucerin lotion. The current week we have a great Eucerin lotion deal. Spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. So I posted that in my CVS haul for this week. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure you check it out. If you prefer Vaseline, next week is going to be a great deal for you guys. Spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. And it's so amazing because we're getting $2 coupons in our 223 Retail Me Not. So what you would do is pick up 2 of the larger bottles of lotions. They are $7.99 each at my store. Use 2 of those $2 off coupons. Use a 3 off of 10 lotion CRT if you have it. Then you will pay $8.98, but you're going to get back that $5 extra back. So final cost would be $1.99 each. And of course, the $7.99 for both, so $15.98 is going to track towards beauty. So if you did all 3 of the deals so far that track towards beauty, the Vaseline, the $8 for the Tresemme, and the $12 in the P&G deal, you're going to be at $35.98. So we're going to get back an additional $3 beauty buck, which makes these deals even better. And this is the beauty event that I've been hearing about, some rumors online, and in the CVS ad, it does say Epic Beauty Event, but I haven't seen anything in the CVS ad or on the CVS website about this. I got this information from iHeartCVS.com. So it says the current beauty event is going on right now, the 16th to the 29th. It's a 2-week exclusive where you're going to get back 10% in extra buck rewards on all beauty. So I'll let you guys know how this goes as far as when I check out on Sunday, when I get my beauty box, if I wind up getting 10% more. I did read a few of the fine print. What it said is it has to be a full dollar value. So if you're going to get back $7.20, I think it's going to round down to just $7. If you have $7.90, it might round up to $8. So I'm not 100% sure. There's not a ton of information on this, but there's always great beauty deals going on at CVS. And even in these just 5 must-do deals, we already hit beauty one time. So if you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to check out my Ibotta haul tomorrow for a chance to enter a giveaway. The giveaway is going to be on over $30 of beauty products that I will get out to you as soon as I choose a winner. If you haven't seen my current CVS haul, make sure you click this video here, as well as my Walgreens haul and other videos. If you don't know how to use Ibotta, you can click this video here. It's a full breakdown on how to use it, how to get the rebates, how to cash out your money, so on, and get all the bonuses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.